It's looking pretty cool. If you guys don't recognize this truck, this is John's 69 C10, the Orange Crush. Hopefully you can hear me. Check. Cool. All right. It's been in here a bunch, doing little things. You guys probably seen other videos. Did the blueprint motor swap and all sorts of stuff, but he brought it in for a quick turnaround. We got a bunch of sheet metal, custom sheet metal from Van Natta Fabrication. There's a bunch of Chevy stuff. We got the radiator covers, inner fenders, under hood panels. I've been trying to fit everything. Just want to make it look good. I've got the inner fenders already blown apart. Those have been pre-fit. Had to do a little bit of notching for the hood hinges because you got some really nice hood hinges. Yeah. So I'm gonna weld all this up. I did a little bit of different stuff just to make it fit this truck the way I want it to fit. Here's this. You guys will probably see it after it's been painted. It should look really good. Point the camera over there. Nope, they're not back there anymore. He's got his original inner fender somewhere, but we're doing a complete delete on those because he's doing a lot of suspension stuff under this thing soon. I'm gonna get it sitting really good, or really low. Not air ride yet, but for now, it should sit really low static, you know. I think we're gonna try and talk him into air ride because he's going that direction already, and why not just slam a beautiful truck, you know? It's kind of right up in my alley, so. But he's got the inner fenders. They should work for air ride or a static drop. So we're going in the right direction with that. And a lot of things have to change because we changed inner fenders, like AC lines. I threw a bulkhead and one of our little pinch plate. You'll see. They pinch around the AC lines, make it look all nice. Tuck everything. I got to redo some wiring. Relocating the batteries somewhere. I don't know where, but I will figure that out. So these are the top sides of those inner fenders. Yeah, you just got to listen to me over that. I'm making little filler panels for these. Originally, I wanted to make pockets, but you know, we're in a time crunch, so I'm gonna weld a nice little edge in here to kind of like close it out around the hinge. So if you're looking at it, it doesn't look like a sharp piece of metal, I guess. But I'm gonna weld these things in there. I'm plasing something up right now, and it should fill that gap a little bit. And later, if we want to redo something, we can. I can always build a pocket that comes off of these. Time crunch, yeah. I'm gonna get these welded up, give it to the body guys. That way they can paint them.
Hey guys, over in the body shop, we got Neil's inner fenders. Dane finished welding them up and brought them over to us. So we've got the upper is gonna be this piece here, the pocket for the hinge. Lower, this one, we had to do some holes for hoses. So there's a little plate that goes here. Actually, let me go grab that. It's pretty cool. So we got little, let's see, those go this direction. There, go around the hoses for heater and AC. And then those will come out a little bulkhead here. Be pretty sweet. So these are going orange to match the rest of the truck. EJ just finished getting this one out in 320. This is in 320. Got to hit the edges on this one and it'll be ready for paint. So he's finishing up just one more of these and then get it sealed, get some color on it.
trans. Not the one we were hoping for, but nonetheless. 525 LS3. They've been on back order for like the last 8 months or something.
7 years.
Yeah, forever. We gotta put exhaust on it. I was thinking Nikolai could do that. So that Edelbrock catback kit. Bolt on. But we'll weld it. So as soon as Devin's done with the Trans Am on the lift will free up. I was thinking putting this second gen on there.
Here is that we are entirely wrong on our adjustment. Not really sure yet. Does that answer your question?
Drop off some bolts.
Okay, lift up a little bit. Ow.
You couldn't even, 5,000, you couldn't even have Oh, I got forward.
Way forward. We came down.
Rolling? All right, guys. Just getting started on this truck. I'm just it's almost done. Preston had painted everything by this point, so it's got a couple more things over in the body shop, door latches and whatnot. We'll get to this later. But I am getting this hood all figured out. So he's got Ring Brothers hood hinges, so I'm doing some adjustment on that, trying to get the hood sitting where we want. All these panels are in and staying there. Yeah, doing that. Aaron's been doing some wiring cleanup. I got all the hoses run for heater and AC. Making this thing nice and clean. That's all I got for you. Yeah, you can get out of my face.
What are you doing?
Installing very expensive door handles. Ooh. That's why you pay big money over here. So that little door handle like this. Quickie.